Moving, boy. Guys, if you're running the SET tuner, please use the Ford racing plugs. It made such a difference with the power delivery. What's up, YouTube? It's Rheumatic back at it with another video. In this one, I'm upgrading the spark plugs on my 2012 F150 to a Ford racing spark plug, which is one step colder. You usually go one step colder when you're running a little bit more higher boost. So I am with my tuner on there. So I'm doing that, and I'll include the part number in the description below. You know, you could get it off Amazon, and also they recommend doing the boots on the spark plug wires. So I'm doing that. Also, I got six new boots, and that's the part number. So I'll be doing that today. I think it's pretty much straightforward, and here are some of the tools you're gonna need. So you're gonna need some anti-seize for your spark plugs to ensure that they don't seize up when you have to change them again, because that could be a pain. And you're gonna need some dielectric grease. This goes on the tip of the boot of the spark plug wire, the new boots that we're gonna install. This flathead is just really to help us get the clips off. This is a 3/8 ratchet. I have an extension on here, but you're gonna need an 8mm socket for the coil packs. They have an 8mm bolt. And then you're gonna need a 5/8 for spark plugs. This one has a little magnet in there because the spark plugs are kind of deep in there. So I went and got that. And I ordered that part off of Amazon too, because mine doesn't have a magnet. So I made sure I got one with a magnet, because it's hard to get them out sometimes. I'm gonna see how this one works. It got pretty good reviews. Thin wall and magnet security by Lexivon. All right, I think that's all I'm gonna need, and let's do it. So this is the part number for the spark plugs, one step colder. I just got the information off of More Power Tuning's website. These are the ones they sold, but I ordered them on Amazon because they had next day shipping for around the same price. So I did that instead, but you could order them off of More Power Tuning website also. They have tunes for the Ecoboost through the SET tuner, which I need to upgrade my tune. I'll be doing that in the future. So first step is remove your oil cap and remove the cover, appearance cover. It just pops right up. Get this out of here. 1 second. Remember to put your filler cap on so no dust or debris gets in the engine while you're doing this. And it's a good idea if you got compressed air to blow out the top of the valve covers so the dust don't get into the spark plug holes. I just wiped mine off with a rag. It was still kind of dirty, but I'm just trying to be careful. But that's another tip. So we got the appearance cover off. And these are your coil packs, 3 on each side. You gotta pull this red tab up first on the clip. Let's try that. So I got that up. And then you're able to squeeze down here and wiggle it out. Sometimes you gotta push in and then out. Okay, those came out good. So after you remove the 8, it pops out. And we want to remove the old spark plugs, and we have new boots. That's going to be going right there. All right. One thing I forgot to mention is check your gap on your spark plug. So these are about between 28 and 30. You want to, I think it's recommended anywhere from 28 1,000s to 37 1,000s, and I heard 28 the F150 Ecoboost does really well. So we're gonna keep them at that. I know the MP More Power Tuning website had it at 31, so I feel like we're in the range, so I'm gonna keep it right around here. But make sure you check each plug, even if they're pre-gapped. So you just want to break it loose with the 3/8, and then I like to hand screw it out. There you go. These are the old spark plugs. Look like they've been burning pretty good. Tune is not bad. So this is the old plug compared to the new plug. The numbers look a little different. T3, this one is a T4. And I noticed this little crack right here too. So maybe I did need new plugs. Maybe the truck will act a little bit more aggressive. I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize right there. That's what your anti-seize is for. So we have our anti-seize in, ready to drop in. Hand tighten first. Just tighten it back up with the hand. These new, this new swivel thing I bought with the magnet, it works so much better. The spark plug just sticks right in there, and even when you put it in, you don't gotta worry about dropping the spark plug in the hole. So I highly recommend that. I'll put that in the description below. Yeah, so now it's a hand tighten. I'm only gonna do like a quarter turn to make sure it's snug, and we'll put the boot on and put the coil pack back in. So this is what the new boot looks like. I think you just twist and pull these off. Yeah, there's a little bit of struggle, but see how it fits over that lip right here? So you really gotta twist and try to pull it off that lip. So that's the old one. This is the new one. You kind of just twist it back on. Now I'm gonna put a little, oops, that's the old boot, fell to the floor. I'm gonna put a little of this dielectric grease in the tip part. So put it back in. Cylinder 1. Actually, I'm not. The first cylinder I did is all set. So now I'm going to work my way around to the remaining 5. I believe on the other side you have to remove some covers and lines out your way, but it's basically the same thing. So we're going to rinse and repeat all these steps. I'm going to make sure this is snug with the ratchet, and I'll get back to you. Okay, now this is the driver's side. So you have to remove this cover off of here. And now you can see all 3. You have to remove this electrical connection here. Just gonna remove that. And I think you remove this right here. So you just pull this lever, I think, and it should come out. Yep. Okay. Now we have access for this guy. Not sure where. Oh, here we go. It's right in the back. So right in the back, it's like a little push tab. You push in and you pull out. So put that out the way. Now we have access to the 3 on the driver's side. So I'm gonna knock that out. So I finished up the driver's side. Make sure you put all your connections back that you took off. This right here and this guy here. So I'm gonna give it some gas. Sounds good. Well, that's how you do the spark plugs. I want to take it out to see how it's responding to the boost on my SET tuner. But it sounds smoother than before. It's running smoother already. So those are one step colder. All right, please like, comment, and subscribe to Screwmatic Cars for more car content. Thank you. Guys, if you're running the SET tuner, please use the Ford racing plugs. It made such a difference with the power delivery. Now when I hit it, like I used to get a little breaking up, so I think my spark plugs were going bad. So now it's just a smooth boost all the way up into the 6,000s. This nice clean power. Really impressed. If you're running higher boost, I would suggest a colder plug, the Ford racing plugs. Make sure you do the boots to the spark plugs. It made a difference, man. It's a lot more smooth. Oh man, the engine, it sounds way smoother, and yeah, the power is there. I should have recorded it, but I don't want to floor it down this residential street, you know. But I definitely. All right, guys, checking out. All the information is in my description below. All right, thanks. We moving, boy. Spark plugs. Spark plugs work. Moving, boys, all the way. Oh boy, this thing moving. Woo! We got a burnout machine. I forgot to. Oh, I do got traction off. Maybe I don't got it all the way off, but those spark plugs made a difference. This boy done woke up again. Yes, sir. Had to get a little one in for you leaving the gym.